Welcome to London, motherfucker. Hi guys, thanks for clicking on me. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you all about an awesome company called Influenster. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you all about this really awesome company that I found out about called Influenster. I found out about this company here on YouTube, watching somebody's video, and at first I was thinking like it was a little gimmicky. I wasn't sure. I signed up for it. I've been part of this company program thing for about 2 years, and it is legit. Stop whatever you're doing right now, go to influencer.com, download the app, Influencer app. Better yet, actually use my link down below and sign up for Influencer right now. I'll wait. You need to sign up for this before like the masses come and they tighten up the criteria, and they won't be giving out free products so easily. I feel like this is something that get in it now before shit changes. You know what I'm saying? As soon as you sign up, all I would recommend that what you do is I just started reviewing products. It's one of those websites where the more activity you do on the website and on the app, you get more points. And the more points that you have or you accumulate, that makes you more eligible to receive future Vox boxes in the mail. And those points, I forget what it's called. Well, here's my profile. I'll put it up here for you guys. And I think it's your outreach number. Hold on. That would be helpful. What's your impact number? That makes sense. Every time you review a product, you get points. If you link up your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your YouTube, if you have one, it'll give you points for that. There's a whole list of things on how you can obtain points. I just wanted to let you guys know also that to receive these boxes, you don't have to be a YouTuber, you don't have to be an influencer, you don't have to have a certain amount of followers on Instagram. This is like, you don't even have to be in the beauty world. If you are a regular person at home, you don't do anything with social media, you can totally receive these boxes. So I've been with them about 2 years. I signed up about 2 years ago and I received my first box like right away. I've received so many boxes from them that I can't remember everything that I received, but it's been on a steady basis to the point where I was like, I have to film a video and I have to show you guys. And I just so happened to receive a really awesome box this month or last month. I'm late. And then it's a perfect opportunity to share with you guys. They call their boxes Vox Box. I tried looking it up. I don't know why it's called Vox Box. Maybe it's because they want you to use your voice to promote the box. If you guys know, let me know down below. But I've tried looking it up and I have no idea why they're called Vox Boxes. Jesus. Oh, and I just want to say, the more points you have, the more eligible you are to receive free product in the mail. So you want to get that number up as high as possible. So review like crazy. They also give you points whenever you do receive product. If you take a picture of it and put it on your Instagram or do a YouTube video. I'm so late on this campaign. This box came out like a month ago. I don't know if I'll get it, but I mainly did this video because I wanted to let you guys know. And it's so much fun when you receive it in the mail, I swear. It's like Christmas. I also wanted to tell you guys that they did not pay me to do this. They did not ask me to do this. They do not know I'm doing this. But I think this is one of the ways where you can accrue points is if you do a dedicated video on this. So when they see this, if I'm so eligible, maybe they would seem like a great company. They operate in good faith, that they would go ahead and credit my account whenever they see this video. And I'll be eligible for future promotions, campaigns, and future Vox boxes. It's really exciting when you're eligible for a campaign. I feel like I get an email and it says, hey, congratulations, you're eligible for this current campaign and this Vox box is in the mail for you. You can track it, but I feel like the second I get the email, like my box is in the mail, like I receive it that day or the next day. Like I've never even had to track my box, and it makes it really super exciting. So I'm like, yeah, I got a box, yeah. This last Vox box that I received is a campaign from Lancome. It was a very nice and generous box. I thought I'd do something fun with it. So next you're gonna see a tutorial with me using the products that I received. I'm gonna tell you how much retail value each product is, but it's 3 full-size products that I received in this Lancome, darling. And spoiler alert, it's the look that I have on today. So if you want to see that, just keep watching. Bye. So the last box that I received is this box by Lancome campaign. And on the inside, are 3 full-size products from Lancome. So first thing out of here is this card that has a little description of the full-size products that you have in here. But funny thing enough, on here, they don't have the retail value prices of the actual products, which I think will be very helpful and impactful. But I'm gonna tell you guys the prices anyway, because I'm good like that. This first product is the Advanced Genifique Light Pearl Youth Activating Eye and Lash Concentrate. It is a serum that has a wand. It's a glass bottle, and then it has like a little bulb at the end, and it's a metal bulb, and you can rub this right under your under eyes. And it feels really cooling and amazing. I already tried this. Future London. Hello? London! I need you to try it for the people. Okay, great. Great, there you go. It's a great lightweight serum for the eyes. I guess you can use this day or night. There's no scent to it, and it absorbs into the skin right away. And there's no retinol or anything in here, that you can only use it for nighttime. So I really enjoyed this, but I already have a eye serum that I use every night, and I love my skincare routine right now, and I have so many things that I need to use up. So Mom, I'm gonna give this to you so you can be Genifique. Oh, this is a full-size bottle, 20 milliliters. On the website it says this retails for $69. And I received this absolutely free. So, Mom, it's coming at ya. Next thing in the box is this little guy. It is the monochromatic. Everything is so fancy. I love it. It's like easy to pronounce. Surprisingly, it's easy to pronounce. So this looks like a powder cream formula all-in-one. Says you can use it for your eyes, cheeks, and lips. It is in the shade Hot Couture. Monochromatic. I did a monochromatic video tutorial very similar to a product like this. I used the blush, and I used it in eyes, cheeks, and lips, and you guys really enjoyed that. So I'll link that here. You guys can check that out if you haven't seen it already. This shade is beautiful. I wonder what it's gonna look like on my cheeks and everything if it's too dark for me. I'm gonna start by applying it to my eyes. I'm gonna use my Morphe E36 brush. This is my favorite little pencil brush ever in the whole entire world. It's the softest thing ever. I highly recommend. So I'm just gonna take that on my brush, and I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line. So it'll be like some drama. I just wanted to do something different because I felt like, you know, the common thing to do with this is put it all over the eyelid. I wanted to show you guys another option, and it's a good way to like introduce you to color. You can just put a pop of it on your lower lash line, and it's very flattering. Do my little, I always think of Grumpy Cat whenever I do my little alien face. Alright, so I'm gonna do it on the other eye. Okay, boom. I might touch it up after I do everything else. Oh, and I just want to let you guys know that I have foundation on, powder, concealer, bronzer, and what I like to do, I like to contour my eyeball. So I take my bronzer and I just put it in my crease and contour my nose and eyebrows, and I think that's it. And I just put a little lip balm on. Okay, so that's for the eyes. Next up, I'm kind of scared to put this on my cheeks. So I'm gonna dab this on first with my finger. I love blush. I think you guys know that. Let me work it in. Give it a shot. I'm gonna take my little e.l.f. small stipple brush. that a little bit. Oh, the color's pretty. I was terrified. I thought it was gonna be like, bam, one swipe and bam, this was gonna be on my cheeks. I was scared about putting that cream product. It's like a powder cream. It's super buttery texture. I was afraid of putting that on top of my powder, so I already set my face, but it was fine applying it with my finger and with the brush. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna move on to the other cheek. I love blush. Sometimes when you first apply it, it looks like a little like, oh girl. But with everything, when your face fully done and everything, and sometimes it takes a second to settle. It looks better and better. Alright, so I finished with that. It's so pretty! Now next is for the lips. Can't wait to do this. Like one swipe. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so comfortable. It's so comfortable and creamy, and it doesn't feel powdery on the lips at all. This color is beautiful, and it's not so like metallic where it looks like I'm using kids makeup, you know? I'll try to build it up and see how dark I can get it. Yeah, it builds beautifully. I love all-in-one products like this that's like multi-use. You know, you can use it for a bunch of different things. But the only thing is that I don't see myself going out with something like this because, you know, it like stained like my little finger even though I wiped it off. You have to like touch up. You can't just whip it out of your purse and like touch up at the dinner table or something like that if you're out. You have to go to a restroom and put it on and then wipe off your finger. I guess the struggle, I know, is so difficult. I'm going to line my lips a little bit. Since I couldn't use, because since I had to use my finger, I couldn't get really close to my lip line, so I'm just doing this to clean it up a little bit. This is my MAC Whirl. I don't know why I looked at it. I use this all the time. London, get with the program. Boom. So pretty. So this is also a full-size product. 3.8 grams, and on the website this retails for $25. So far I have $69 and $25 a free product from Influenster. The last item in the box is a mascara. I was really excited about this. This is their Monsieur Big waterproof mascara, and this is in the shade Big is the New Black. Okay. So this mascara, I've tried the other one before. I've tried I guess the regular one. This is the waterproof one. I've tried the regular one, and I love the packaging. It's a nice big fluffy wand, and it says it has up to 24-hour wear and it's 12 times more volume. Okay, let go. So I'm just gonna apply this to my lashes. I just curled them earlier, but I don't have anything on my lashes right now. I love to take my time and really work in my mascara. So that's one coat, and then that's nothing on this side. And this is like a really bad day to do a mascara demo. I don't know why I attacked these eyelashes the other day sitting on the couch. I felt like something was bothering me, and this happens to me periodically. I felt like something was bothering me and I just needed to find that one eyelash and pull it so I get relief. But then I feel like the irritation jumped, and then I went to pull that out, and then I still felt something. I don't know, like, does that ever happen to you? Or am I just a psychopath? I just like to pull out my eyelashes. So now I have like a little chunk missing here. Great. Now you'll be able to see the gap when I put mascara on this side. Just one. You guys see the little gap? Right in the middle? Great. Fantastic. So now it's the scary part. I'm gonna try this on my lower lashes. I feel like you really need to trust a mascara. It's scary doing this with a mascara that you don't know how it performs, because you can totally potentially destroy your face. Okay, so I think we're good. I did mascara on both sides. The application was a success. Oh, and before I forget, so this is another full-size item, and on the website it says that this is also on the Lancome website for $25 as well. So we have $69 was the serum, $25 for the blush lip eye combo, and $25 for this. And so that totals $119 worth of free product from Lancome in this box. Okay. So that is it. I hope you guys like this video from me to you. And sign up for Influenster and use my link down below. You know. Oh, and come back next Monday right here. Hopefully I'll have another video up. I want to try to upload videos every Monday. Okay, it'll be my day. It'll be a London Monday, a Lunday. No? Okay, cool. Well, I'll be here. Stop by if you want. You're always welcome. And I love you guys so much. Come back on Monday. Bye. Oh, and subscribe to my channel, please. That will be so kind of you. Thanks, man. Here is some box ASMR for you. I need to go. Okay, what am I doing with my life? Bye!